and welcome viewers. You're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. You must have seen everything that's been happening in West Bengal, particularly within the Trinamool Congress. Now there's a new leader of opposition in West Bengal, and that is Ritabrata Banerjee. Yesterday he was elected the leader of opposition in West Bengal Assembly. Let's take a look at who Ritabrata Banerjee is and what his past political career has been like. Now, firstly, he is the 46-year-old first-time Trinamool Congress MLA from Uluberia, Purba of the state. He's a rookie TMC MLA and also a former Rajya Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress party. But interestingly, Ritabrata Banerjee was expelled from the Trinamool Congress for anti-party activities along with Sandeepan Saha. Both of these first-time MLAs of Trinamool Congress were expelled by Mamata Banerjee from the party for activities that she alleged were against the party. What they had done basically, Ritabrata Banerjee and Sandeepan Saha had sent a letter to the West Bengal Speaker to probe a letter nominating Sobhandev Chattopadhyay as the leader of opposition. Now, this revelation has been made by Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari, who confirmed that the expelled TMC leaders had approached him with a letter demanding probe into what they said was a forged letter. And remember, when Mamata Banerjee had called a meeting over the CID probe, only 19 MLAs had come to attend that meeting. Now, those MLAs who did not attend the meeting were actually supporters of Ritabrata Banerjee. He was elected the leader of opposition with support of 58 of the 80 elected Trinamool Congress MLAs. He garnered support of 58 rebel MLAs. Now, interestingly, Ritabrata Banerjee was also a member of parliament from the Communist Party of India, Marxist. So, before TMC, Ritabrata was a member of the left of the CPIM. And he was sent to Rajya Sabha by that party. He was also the All India General Secretary of the CPM Students Wing, that's the Students Federation of India, or what we know of as the SFI. But just like he was expelled from the Trinamool Congress in 2017, Ritabrata Banerjee was also expelled from the Communist Party of India, Marxist. And there again he was expelled for anti-party activities. But Ritabrata Banerjee has been a politician since his early days, even during his college days. He was a student leader. Now it remains to be seen how this rookie MLA of the Trinamool Congress, who was expelled and has managed to split the Trinamool Congress, something which has not happened in about 20 years since Mamata Banerjee rebelled against the Congress to form the Trinamool Congress, will be able to lead the opposition in West Bengal. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below.